Well, here she is, guys. The new car. It is an ISF. 2008 ISF with 170,000 kilometers on it. It's around like 105,000 miles. I think it's mostly stock other than an intake, but yeah, it's pretty clean. Just needs a nice cut and polish. There's a lot of like swirl marks and stuff, and a couple dings and dents. I think for sure there's a dent right here. I saw it yesterday right here, and then there was another one somewhere. I think it was on the trunk. Yeah, right here. But it's not too bad. I think it'll look really nice after I give a nice little paint correction. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started cleaning the interior first. Give it a nice quick wash, and then let's see what's next. I think for sure I want to get a lip, a side skirt, and then a diffuser for sure, and then the walled spoiler, and then we'll see what's next. Also, I need to upgrade the tires as well. These tires are just puny, they're just too skinny for this car, and they're just like tucked in there. So I'm gonna get some wider tires. But the interior is pretty clean as well. I got he threw in some WeatherTech floor mats as well, so the seats aren't too worn out. Passenger side, pretty clean. Yeah, this infotainment system is pretty dated. I might have to give this a nice little vacuum, but other than that, it's pretty clean. Also need to switch out the lights in the interior to LED as well. So this was one of my attainable dream cars for a while now. Other than next to the Type S. I don't really know which one I'm gonna keep or which one I'm gonna sell. Type S sitting in there, and then I got obviously the ISF, and then the Aristo sitting in the garage. So yeah, one of them I think has got to go just to make space to park. Oh, and these brakes gotta go too. These brakes, they were squealing all the way home after I picked it up yesterday. So yeah, those gotta go as well. And if you know me and brakes. But yeah, just a little walk around. Next up, I think I'm gonna clean the interior. Just give it a nice little degrease and then vacuum. So yeah, let's get started. Side's kind of slick with oil, and then this side's a bit more cleaner, so it's kind of got like a matte look. I got some 303 like protectant. I'm gonna put it on most of the dash and then the side panel, because I know like with older ISFs they tend to melt, I guess. Just gonna go at it with a spray into a microfiber towel and just kind of rub it on there. Nice and clean compared to what I got it. But yeah, next up I'm gonna clean up the engine bay, and then that'll be it. Until next time.
Sash.